Interested in learning about the massage chairs at Planet Fitness? In this video, I describe what the massage chair is, explain how you can access one, and go over all of its settings so you know how to use it. A massage chair is a piece of equipment designed to simulate massage techniques and provide relaxation benefits. It looks like a regular lounge chair, but has a lot more going on inside of it, such as mechanized rollers that move throughout the chair to massage your full body. These rollers replicate the hands of a massage therapist and move up and down the body in circular motions to massage different muscle areas. The chair also reclines when activated. At the bottom are extendable footrests that have airbags and rollers to massage your legs. There are armrests at each side, with one displaying the control panel so you can customize your massage. There are also some safety guidelines plastered onto the bottom. Some of the logistical information might be a little outdated. For example, it says that the massage is only 5 minutes, but my session was 10. And it also says that the chair only accepts Planet Fitness tokens, which would explain the coin slot on the other side of the chair, but nowadays the front desk employee can start the chairs remotely without having to use any sort of coin. The massage chairs are located within the Planet Fitness Black Card Spa, so you'll need a Black Card membership in order to use them. The massage chair placement will vary by location, but at my Planet Fitness, the 2 massage chairs are in an alcove in the middle of a hallway in the Black Card Spa. This is different from a perk like the Total Body Enhancement machine, which has its own private room. And if you're curious what that machine is, you can learn more about it in the video in the top right corner. Anyways, you can use the massage chair either before or after your workout, although it's more common to use it afterwards. Using the massage chair before your workout can warm your body up by increasing blood flow to your muscles, loosen tight areas, and enhance your flexibility. Using the massage chair after your workout can reduce soreness and promote relaxation in your sore and fatigued muscles. This helps improve blood circulation, enhances recovery, and can reduce your risk of injury. When you decide when you want to use the massage chair with your Black Card membership, make an appointment at the front desk. Some Planet Fitness locations have a kiosk where you can scan your app's QR code and make an appointment yourself, whereas at other locations, you'll need to schedule with the front desk employee. At the time of your appointment, check in with them and they'll let you know which massage chair is assigned to you. They're numbered, so you'll need to make sure you use the correct one. About a minute or so after the front desk employee directs you to your assigned chair, the massage will begin. So make sure to get to your chair quickly so you don't miss out on any massage time. When you're ready to take a seat, place your legs in between the footrests and lay back. When the massage begins, you'll feel the airbags around your legs tighten with pressure, the seat will recline, and the rollers will begin to activate. Once the massage begins, you can start using the control panel on the armrest to customize your massage. The control panel displays the time left in your massage on the top right, which starts at 10 minutes. And below that is an illustration of your body and dots that indicate where the massage rollers are in real time. And to the left are customizable settings for your leg intensity, back intensity, and the massage program selected. There are 3 programs listed and can be selected by pressing the corresponding button. Program 1 is called Kneading/Light Tapping. Program 2 is Kneading/Tapping. And Program 3 is Kneading/Knocking. Each of these programs involves kneading, which is the circular rolling motion of the massage rollers. This technique relieves muscle tension and promotes relaxation. In Program 1, Kneading/Light Tapping, the massage rollers alternate between kneading motions and gentle taps. The light taps are quick and light on the muscles. The combination of kneading and light tapping helps to stimulate blood flow, reduce stiffness, and soothe muscles. This is an ideal mode for those who want a gentle, less intense massage. In Program 2, Kneading/Tapping, the tapping is more intense and provides a more dynamic massage experience. The added percussion and rhythmic tapping can really help to relieve muscle knots and tension, improve circulation, and loosen tight muscles. Finally, in Program 3, Kneading/Knocking, the knocking is a much more rapid technique with stronger pressure that firmly and quickly moves against the muscles. The higher intensity and more vigorous massage can relieve deep muscle tension, promote flexibility, and enhance blood circulation. This program is suitable for those who want an intense massage experience. In addition to selecting program modes, the intensity of the massage on your back and leg regions can also be adjusted. There are up and down arrows that allow you to increase or decrease the intensity of the massage level for your back, as well as arrows to adjust the intensity for your legs. The intensity levels are shown as bars on the display. Once you've programmed your settings, just sit back and enjoy the massage. At some Planet Fitness locations, such as the one I'm at, if you're still enough and there's no motion in the room, the lights will turn off to promote a more relaxing atmosphere. Once your time is up on your massage, the rollers stop and the chair automatically moves back into an upright position and the legs lower down, relieving the pressure of the airbags, allowing you to move your legs freely. Now you can get off of the seat, spray a paper towel with disinfectant, and wipe the chair down. The massage chair is a great way to relax, and if you find that you like using it, you might enjoy the Hydromassage, which uses water instead of mechanized rollers. And you can learn more about it in the video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.